Hey y'all, I'm a hot mess, but that's okay. I'm only here to show you my nails. I'm going to show you a quick way to get your Color Street strips off. So you're going to fill a small bowl with hot water, as hot as you can stand it. Don't burn yourself. And then you're going to take your Mineral Fusion polish remover, pour it in a small Ziploc bag. Pour Mineral Fusion. We don't need a lot, just enough to cover our nails. This down in the water. And then you're gonna rub. Use your nails to kind of rub it off. Let's see if I can get both in there. So I'm just using my fingers to rub it in the remover. I can already feel it coming off. Oh, I meant to time it. I forgot. You gotta take your nails off, your Color Street, hot water, just as warm as you can stand it, Mineral Fusion in a Ziploc bag, and rub till it comes off. Bye guys.